So I have one LORA module, two actually, one is here. It's where is it? Right in here. Yeah, SX1278. 433 megahertz, which I connect to where is it here? NodeMcu, it should be U, version 3. It was everything okay and fine, but then I decided to change on the micropython. And from that time it doesn't work at all. I don't know why. So I have to reflash and then it should be fine. What I want to say, this small device is so great in the city center, in the cities. It can go easily half of the mile, easily from inside the building to inside the building. So half of the mile is going very easy. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I just don't know why it's not working on micropython. I like Python, but this doesn't work well. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it's not going. With the Raspberry Pi Zero version with Wi-Fi, it's working as well, nice and fine. But obviously this is more power consumption device, so that's why I prefer something like that, or normal esp82, which is as well great. But I don't know why it's not working well on micropython. If you know, just let me know in the comment. Thank you.